I have to admit that I'm not a fan of touchscreen and never have been. This wouldn't be too bad, but all technology is going down the touchscreen route and the Wingsland S6 drone has done the same. I obviously knew about this before buying the S6 drone, so it wasn't a deal breaker. To fly and control the S6 drone, you have to use virtual joysticks on the Wingsland app on the mobile device. The S6 is my only drone that uses virtual joysticks, and I have to say that I am not a fan of them. Well, not yet anyway. I have read that virtual joysticks take a while to get used to, but once you have, they are not that bad at all. At the moment, I am struggling to believe this. I find virtual joysticks slow, cumbersome and very awkward. I find virtual joysticks inaccurate and unresponsive. The S6 is a slow drone, so the slow to act and unresponsive virtual joysticks is more of an annoyance than a real problem. If the S6 were any faster, this would not be the case and I would be stuffed. Flying the S6 using virtual joysticks is a challenge and nowhere near as easy or as natural as the reports and reviews I've read said. I'm several flights in and still virtual joysticks don't feel nice to use, let alone natural. Another issue using virtual joysticks is when using them my thumbs take up a large proportion of the screen, which means flying the S6 watching just the screen using real-time FPV is impossible. It appears there is a proper controller available for the S6 drone, but it is not available in the UK. If I could find any reviews about the S6 controller and get confirmation it actually works, I would seriously consider buying one from overseas. Information on this controller is slight and real life experiences are non-existent, and because of this I am not prepared to shell out another 100 odd quid on something that may or may not work. Overall I am very happy with the S6 drone, and as a selfie drone it is a great gadget and one I highly recommend. The virtual joysticks are, without a doubt, the worst thing about the Wingsland S6 drone, but then you have to take the rough with the smooth, right?